Discombobulated.
What does that mean?
It means you're confused, baffled, or befuddled.
I know why you're confused. You're homeless, you need a house, you got a family.
Hey, do you remember when you went to the talent show?
No.
Oh, give me this money. You get this.
We have some bad news.
Huh, what is it?
Your grandma has died.
LOL.
Dude, that's not cool.
What the heck?
Do you even know what LOL means?
Love of life. I mean, really, what else would it mean?
LOL really means laugh out loud.
Oh my gosh, I'm so discombobulated. Who is he? Where the heck am I? All right, everybody.
Let's join together and go around the circle.
No.
What's my line?
Pat.
What am I doing?
Well, what?
Give me the book.
No, the helmet goes like this.
Oh.